Light the forge. The coals awaken with a growl.
You refine the edges carefully.
Each hammer blow shapes the bevels, tapering the sides until a faint...
When the rough shaping is done, you let the blade cool. You inspect its form, slightly curved. The blade is reheated once again for normalizing. Heat it evenly and let it cool in the open air. Then as the oil settles, you lift the blade from the dark liquid. It is hardened now, strong but brittle.
Once tempered, the true craftsmanship begins.
Move to finer grits of sandpaper, polishing away every scar of the forge. Gradually, the surface turns mirror bright.
Switch off the forge and step back, breathing in the warm, metallic scent of accomplishment.
You now forging until the metal expands. Now shaping it to the stylish knife.